Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS draft module. Today we will be discussing basic view control for the draft module. Like in 3D modeling or 3D design module, there are some view options which are available and navigate options which are available on your screen. Okay, so first option is very simple. It's a limit option. So if you create user defined views, your limit will be set for a sheet. If you create a limit view, that limit will be set for a specific value. So anytime if you just want to reset your limits, that will be resetting your sheet on your window. That is reset limit option. The second option is modify mode. We have used this modify mode in all the videos. I guess modify modes will use to select entities. Once you select the entities, then you can start modifying those entities very easily. So if you want to select anything, you need to have modify mode on. Okay, so that is modify mode. Then there is an option of grid. Okay, display grid. So display grid will give you the grid points in pink color on all over the limit. Okay, here sheet is my limit, that's why I am using this grid point on my sheet. So you can switch on these grid points and use those grid points as a reference to place your different views or to draw something. Now while drawing something, there is an option called snap to grid option on. So what it will do is, if I select a single line to draw, you can just, sorry, I will just go to view. I need a layer for that drawing, detail layer. Okay, so I will just go and make a note. And in that note, I will try to draw a line. So before that, I will just switch on this pencil. I will switch on this limits and snap option, and this in note I will start drawing. Now the advantage of snap option is it will snap all the grid points for you. So I can easily draw whatever drawing I want to create. Okay, like this. So that is the snap option that will snap all the grid points you want, so there will not be any mistake while snapping the point. And grid option will on and off your view. The below 3 or 4 options are basically for save view and restore view, which is already there in your design module also. So let us say I want to work on only this view. I am zooming it for that. This is the restore view option. Just right click on that, you will have save view option. So I am saving this view right now. Then the second view I am saving it for this. And after resizing, if I want to jump to my first view, you can just go to restore view option. You will switch to that view. Restore view 2, you will switch to that view. So there are four restore views options are available. You can save your own views in those 4 restore views. Okay, so I will just show it once again. Right now I am save 3, and then you can restore that third view as your restore view option. Okay, once you full with the fourth view, again you can go with save 1. That will rewrite the previous view, and that view will be stored as a save view. Okay, so these are the options which are available in utility menu, which is on the left hand side of your tool. So mostly we will be using this dynamic modifier mode on, and grids if you need, and save views option. The other options which are available are with the right click. One is the refresh button, one is the reset limit, it's same as the first point. Then there is switch on and switch off of frame. So these frames are always there with the view, because we create views in different frames or different views on the design draft explorer. You can just switch on and switch off these frames so that your sheet can look like a clean draft sheet. Okay, so you can check on and off depending upon your reference how you want to do it. Then add current element is basically adding the element from the draft explorer to the sheet. That can be easily added. Then you have highlight current element. Let us say I am selecting this equipment and I am just going for the option, selecting this equipment. I am going for the option highlight current equipment. That will be blinked for 2-3 times so that you will get the attention which equipment right now it is getting selected. Okay, so in all views. Okay, so I am selecting this nozzle for now. Okay, my draft modify mode is off, so I am just selecting that nozzle and seeing highlight this element. So highlight the current element will highlight that element into all three views. Okay, so one by one, and you will know that which element you are selecting and how it is reflecting in all different views. That is the highlight current element. Go to option is basically used to handle your design explorer. If it is having lot of entities, you can directly select this element and say go to, okay, sheet note or sheet layer. So depending upon the layer or element which you are selecting, you can directly go with sheet. So parent sheet will be selected. You can go to view, a parent view will be selected. Just click there and that parent view will be selected. So this is for managing or using these options to go to the different levels of your data. Okay, so that is the go to option. Color settings are very simple. You can select or change the background color. Okay, if you want, if you are happy to work with the white background or any different color background, you can always go and change different backgrounds and work in those backgrounds. That will be very helpful. Okay, yeah. Then what else you have? You have highlight colors. Okay, so these are the highlight colors. So whatever I am selecting, that will be highlighted in that color. Okay, so it is getting highlighted in red color right now. So that is your highlight color. Then you have feedback color also, and there is a 3D view option which will be used for exploring the design module data. Okay, so 3D view option will open your design module, and then what you can do is you can just go and display. It will take little bit of time. There is no ID list right now which is getting added. I will just go to display explorers and 3D design explorer, and I will select this equipment too, and I will say add to 3D view. Okay, and then you can just go and explore this 3D view for different sections. This is mostly used for section views. Okay, so we will be going for this section view option, section planes option in the coming videos. So 3D view is used to see the same object in 3D in the draft module. Okay, you don't have to go back to design module every time. Okay, so these are the basic view options which are available with your draft module. Navigation tools on the left hand side, navigation toolbar, and on the right click you have lot of options which can be easily used to maintain your views and other settings, basic settings in your draft module. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like the content, do like, share and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and thank you for joining.